For years, you've been an analyst, a critic. You've dissected novels, deconstructed poems, and explained what other writers were trying to do. But now, the roles are reversed. You are the creator. This is the fundamental shift in the craft of writing module. It's no longer about just analyzing texts, it's about making your own. But the key word here is craft. This isn't about waiting for inspiration to strike or just writing what comes naturally. Writing is treated as a learned skill, like a carpenter shaping wood. Every choice is deliberate. The form you pick, the perspective you use, the rhythm of your sentences, nothing is accidental. This module has a dual requirement. First, you create the piece itself, an imaginative story, a personal essay, a discursive exploration. But that's only about 60% of the work. The second crucial part is the reflection. You have to step back and explain your own process, analyzing your creative choices. Why did you use first person? What effect were you trying to achieve with that short, sharp sentence? A brilliant story with a weak reflection or a deep reflection on a weak story? Neither will succeed. They are two sides of the same coin. This journey is also about finding your unique voice. But a writer's voice isn't just found, it's built. You'll study authors not to copy them, but to understand the blueprint, how they crafted their own distinctive styles from specific language and structural choices. Through experimentation and ruthless revision, you synthesize these influences into something that feels authentic to you. Ultimately, this is more than just another school assignment. It's a transition from being a consumer of literature to a producer. You're learning to wield language with purpose, a skill that extends far beyond the exam room. You are a writer.